Synthetic biology is an interdisciplinary field at the intersection of biology, engineering, and computer science that involves the design, construction, and manipulation of biological systems and organisms to create new functions, products, or capabilities that do not exist in nature. At its core, synthetic biology aims to apply engineering principles to biology, treating DNA, proteins, and other biological components as parts that can be assembled and reprogrammed to achieve specific goals. It seeks to harness the complexity of living organisms to create novel solutions for a wide range of applications, from biotechnology and medicine to energy and environmental sustainability. Key aspects of synthetic biology include 1. DNA synthesis and assembly. Researchers use DNA synthesis techniques to design and create new genetic sequences, which are then assembled into functional genetic circuits or pathways within living cells. 2. Genetic engineering. Genetic elements are inserted, modified, or removed from organisms to alter their behavior or produce desired outputs. This includes introducing genes from other organisms to confer new traits. 3. Modularity. Synthetic biology emphasizes the standardization and modularization of biological components, allowing them to be easily combined and integrated into complex systems. 4. Computer-aided design. Computational tools and modeling techniques are employed to design and simulate biological systems before they are physically constructed. 5. Biological parts catalogs. Repositories of standardized biological parts, similar to a library of genetic components, facilitate the assembly of new genetic circuits. Synthetic biology has led to remarkable achievements, such as the creation of bacteria that produce biofuels, yeast cells that produce valuable pharmaceuticals, and plants with improved crop yields. It has also raised ethical and safety considerations, as the manipulation of living organisms has the potential to impact ecosystems, health, and society. The field continues to evolve rapidly, driving innovation and collaboration across scientific disciplines and industries. As synthetic biology techniques become more sophisticated, they offer the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, including disease treatment, sustainable agriculture, environmental remediation, and the development of bio-based materials. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.